Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this Okpa Enugu. I heard that Okpa was from Enugu, so that's why I'm calling it Okpa Enugu. This was my Okpa before I learned what was going wrong, and if yours has ever turned out like this, then keep watching. I'll show you the steps I took to correct them and how my Okpa always comes out very good all the time. First, let's start from the beginning. I use banana leaf and I get this from the market. Anyway, maybe you can ask around your market, or if you're in Enugu you can let me know. I'll show you where to get it. So first you get your leaf just like this and fold it into two equal parts the way I'm doing it like this. Then divide it. Please let them be equal. So repeat the same process until you're done with all your leaves. Another thing is that one of the benefits of making okpa with leaf is that the banana leaf adds a lot of sweetness to the leaf, to the okpa, and it tastes so great. And also there are also a lot of nutritional value to make using natural things. So when you're done with cutting the leaf, lay some leaves, maybe 2 to 3 leaves on top of each other, just like the way I'm doing. Then fold it in two and begin to fold it like this, tiny bit by bit, and bring the other end together and straighten it. Then bend it to the back, just the way I'm doing here. Get a rope, a tight rope, and tie it very well so that your okpa will not leak, just like this. And yeah, then get scissors and trim the mouth. The reason why we do this is so that when you're putting your okpa, this will not distract you or make your okpa to pour. So you can repeat the same process. Get the first leaf, layer a second leaf and the third leaf. If your leaves are too small, you can make it 4. The reason why I put 2 to 3 leaves or 4 sometimes is so that there will be no leakage. Maybe one of the leaf is torn, then the other 2 can hold your okpa together. So that is the reason why I triple it, or maybe sometimes make it 4. Then tie it very well to prevent leakage, and yeah, you're good to go. Do the same thing until you're done with your okpa leaf. So I'll be showing you in a close way how I do it. So what I do is that I fold this thing very well, tightly, maybe 2 to 4 times like this, depending on how large your leaf is. Get the other end just like this, hold it very tight, then bend it to the back. See the way I'm doing here. Get a rope while still holding it, tie it very well while still holding it. So if it's when you're done, then make sure that it's well tight. If you feel like it's still loose, maybe you can get a second rope and tie it very well again. So after you're done tying all your leaves, which is what I just did with mine, proceed to washing the leaf. Yes, and this stage is very important. You have to wash your leaf very well to remove sand and make it clean enough for your food, because we don't want to eat dirt and also all the bacteria that will enter there. But another thing, if you can use warm water to wash your okpa leaf, that would be very great. But if not, you can use normal water, but just make sure that you wash very well and put your hand inside while washing it. Be gentle so that you don't end up tearing your okpa leaf. Maybe fill the okpa leaf to the brim, shake it. After shaking it, put your hand inside just the way I'm doing mine, so I can remove any sand that is inside there. Then repeat the same process with all the leaves until you're done washing all your leaf. So when you're done washing all your leaf, put it under a sieve and allow it to drain. Proceed to pounding your fresh pepper, and be generous with your pepper because Okpa likes pepper. But if you have children, feel free to reduce the pepper and mix your water. We are going to use warm water to do this Okpa, so get a kettle, mix warm water, and then get your Okpa ready and oil. One of the things you need to know about Okpa is that you need to use good oil to make Okpa. I realized that the one of the mistakes I used to do when I started making Okpa, that I make my Okpa to come out bad, is the quality of oil. When the oil is getting bad, don't use it for Okpa. And also Okpa uses a lot of oil, so don't just adding it and say, oh, it's okay. Add it enough, because this is how Okpa is made, and just follow this step and you'll come out with a very delicious Okpa. So mix this very well until everything is combined. Then repeat the same process. Add oil, mix, add oil, mix everything well. Yes, this is tiring. Your hand might feel, oh, I'm tired. Maybe just take a break, then continue. Oh, before I forget, by the time you start mixing your Okpa, you should have your water on your stove already boiling, because you need to be cooking the Okpa in boiling water, not warm water or hot water, boiling water, because immediately the Okpa goes inside, it should already start boiling. So add your oil again and continue mixing the Okpa until it's ready. Though Okpa needs a lot of oil, but you have to be careful so that you don't add too much oil, because another mistake I used to make is that I add too much oil to Okpa, and when the Okpa is ready, the oil is separate. Like when you're cutting the Okpa, like the oil goes to one side, you just come out like as if it's water that is coming out. So like, look at this texture. See how, look at it, it's like as if you're molding a clay, but it's not too so soft, like the oil is not too much. So when you're done with that, add that your warm water that you mixed before. Remember, this is warm water, not hot water and not cold water. Enough that you can put your hand and it will not burn you. Then add this and mix gently. And as you're mixing, be using your hand to smoothen the Okpa so that there are no lumps. Repeat, keep adding the water gently, mixing it and adding it gently. Also, I had to pause making Okpa for about 1 to 2 months, if I can remember, because my Okpa always come out terrible. At first I started very well, but at a point I didn't know what was going on. I was making Okpa to come out very, very bad. Like even myself, I could not even eat it. I had to pause and take a break, see what the mistake I'm making, and one of the things and all the mistake I made, I'm going to share with you. I'm already sharing it. Just pay attention, and you will see. So another mistake I used to make is adding too much water to my Okpa. Yes, this is very tricky because way you can explain it unless you're doing the Okpa yourself, but I will try my best to explain as much as possible. When you're at this point that your Okpa is like this, you have to be gentle with the kind of water you add. Like you see the way I'm doing, I'm not adding it the way I was adding it before, and try to remove all the lumps, and like look at the way I'm doing there, remove the lumps. So look at this texture. If you have a rubber spoon, and another way, this is the way I'm trying to explain to you. If you have a rubber spoon like this and you can see the liquid, see how runny it is. Maybe even though in any spoon at all, see look at how run it is. It should be like as if you want to make pap, but maybe a little bit loose than pap, a little. Then add your fresh pepper, and this is ehuru. Feel free to skip this if you don't like ehuru, but this is a game changer. The day I found out about this, I was like, wow, my okpa was in another level. Add your salt. Another thing is, be gentle with your salt. There was a day I made okpa, one of those days, like I could not even eat the okpa. So be gentle with your salt. Add gently, taste, and keep adding. You can see I added small water because I wanted it to be a little bit loose, very small. When you're done, it's time to tie the okpa and put inside the pot. Remember, your water should already be boiling. Then if you have someone that can be stirring the okpa for you, that would be a lovely idea, because okpa needs to be stirred all the time. If you allow it to sit, it will just separate down there. And also, one of the things I noticed is that you need to be stirring it so that the oil does not separate. So scoop the okpa just the way I did there and put it inside the leaf and fold it together. Get a rope like this and tie it very well. Please tie it very well so that water does not get into your okpa. So when you're done tying it like this, make sure you shake your okpa. This is one of the mistakes I used to make. Then put it inside your boiling water. This water is boiling. It's just that I just opened the pot and it stopped, but it's boiling water. Then repeat the same process. Scoop your okpa, put inside the okpa leaf. Another thing is that don't overfill the okpa leaf so that you'll be able to close it very well and tie. One of the biggest mistake I used to make with making okpa was not shaking the okpa. And how I got to know this is the day I went to buy okpa leaf. After I've paused making okpa for a long time, I was just making the complaints. The woman that, oh, this is what I used to experience with my okpa. And she just said, do you need to shake your okpa before putting it inside the boiling water? I said, no, I didn't know about that. She said, yes, it's very important. So I always remember to shake your okpa. So I allowed this to boil for about 1 hour after I'm done tying the okpa. Then after 1 hour, open your pot and check if it's ready. And one of the ways to know after 1 hour is to just bring one out and cut it just the way I'm doing here. Poop. Wow, look at this beauty. It's very, very, very soft, delicious, all in one. So you can never go wrong if you follow all the steps I showed you, all the mistake that I made that you can avoid. You will come out with the best okpa ever. Like, just follow the step I'm explaining to you and look at how soft this okpa is. And not just soft, it's tasted very delicious and sweet. Hey, ehuru just take the okpa to another level. Just try it. Even the next day, it still came out very delicious and soft. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.